Hello students. So today I am here to take up the exercises of the first chapter which we have studied in the previous video, that is Noi saves a whale. This was chapter 1. So today I am going to take up the exercises of the same chapter which we have studied in the previous video. So first you have to open page number 4. Which page? Page number 4. In this exercise number A we will do. Exercise number A. The question is, match the words in A with the words in B to make complete sentences. So we have to match the words from column A to column B. So you need not to draw lines, because when you draw lines, I know it looks like wall scribbling. So I don't want that. You will only put numbers like this. I have put no. So you only have to put numbers at the side of the sentences. So I am going to dictate the exercises. So here I go. Number 1. Noi walked along the shore and the correct answer is spotted something in the distance. Noi walked along the shore and spotted something in the distance. So this is number 1. Here you will put number 1. Number 2. Noi knew that it was not good for a whale to be out of the water for a long time because it could not survive on land for long. So, Noi knew that it was not good for a whale to be out of the water for a long time because it could not survive on land for long. So, here you will put number 2. Number 3. He filled a bucket with water from the sea and poured it over the baby whale. So, he filled a bucket with water from the sea and poured it over the baby whale. Here you will put number 3. Number 4. After taking the baby whale back home, Noi filled his bathtub with cold water and put the whale inside. So here you will put number 4. The correct answer is here B number will be like number 4. The correct answer for B is number 4. Noi and his father put the baby whale in a motorboat and, what is the correct answer for this? Yes, F1. Rowed out into the sea to put it back into its waters. Noi and his father put the baby whale in a motorboat and rowed out into the sea to put it back into its waters. So here you will write number 5. F will be number 5. The correct answer for F is number 5, or 5 is F. You can do the opposite also, and you can do in the series form also. Okay, now here. Number 6. Noi knew it was the right thing to do, but number D, you see, this is the correct answer for 6. It was hard for him to say goodbye to his friend. Noi knew it was the right thing to do, but it was hard for him to say goodbye to his friend. So, number 6 correct answer is given in number D. So, you see A, B, C, D, E, F, here alphabets are given, and then here you have to write the correct answer in the form of numbers. Like number A is the correct answer for number 3. B is the correct answer for number 4. C is the correct answer for number 1. D is the correct answer for number 6. E is the correct answer for number 2. And F is the correct answer for number 5. So you just copy these numbers carefully in your book. 3, 4, 1, 6, 2, 5. Need not to draw the lines, you just write the correct numbers. So we'll understand that number 3 is for A, and number 4 is for B, and number 1 is for C, and number 6 is for D, and number 2 is for E, and number 5 is for F. So this is the exercises. Okay. Now we'll move on to our next exercise on next page, page number 5. Exercise number A again. Underline the nouns in these sentences. So you have to underline the nouns in the given sentences. For example, here you see Padma, train and Thrissur is already underlined just for the example. But now you have to underline the words on your own. Now we have to see what is the noun in the given sentences. You have already studied nouns in your English language video. So today again we'll take up these exercises just to see how much you have understood. Okay, number 2. Number 1 is already done, so we won't take number 1. Now number 2. Can you find the face of a clown in this picture? So in this, what is a noun? Face is a noun, clown is a noun, and picture is a noun. You already know what is the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So similarly, you have to find out nouns in these sentences. Number 3. Kiran is going to Mumbai to play a cricket match. In this sentence, Kiran is noun, Mumbai is noun, cricket is also a noun. So you just have to underline these words. Whatever I am telling you, you just have to underline it in your book. Number 4. We always go to Dr. Reena. She is an excellent doctor. So Dr. Reena is a proper noun, so we will underline it. And then doctor is also a noun, so we will underline it. Now number 5. The animals are at the pool to drink water on a hot day. So pool is a noun, animals is a noun, and water is also a noun. Now number 6 is our cat Roxy has become friendly with our neighbor's parrots. So in this sentence, cat is a noun, Roxy is also a noun, proper noun, neighbors is a possessive noun, and parrots is also a noun, common noun. So these 4 are nouns: cat, Roxy, neighbors, parrots. So yeah, hop on to our next exercise, our next page number 6. So the question is, exercise number B, the question is, complete these sentences with the abstract noun forms of the words in color. Check with your teacher or a dictionary for the correct spelling. So you just have to change these words which are given in red into an abstract noun. You know what is an abstract noun? A noun which you cannot touch or see. You can only feel it. So that is known as the abstract noun. So we have to convert these words into an abstract noun. First one is already done, so we won't do it. We'll start from number 2. Number 2. Plants grow well in our garden. The sunlight helps their dash. So we don't know. I have written the answer, but first you see what word we have to change. Here the red word was grow. Grow was given. So we have changed grow into an abstract noun and it has become growth. Growth. The correct answer is growth. Now the third one. Those soldiers were brave. See, this is given in red. We have to change this word into an abstract noun. Brave into an abstract noun. The newspapers wrote about their dash. What they wrote about? Their bravery. 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 We have changed brave into bravery. Now number 4. Kumar is very honest. We have to change honest into an abstract noun. He told the teacher that he did not complete his homework. Full stop. The teacher liked his dash. So honest is changed into honesty. 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 Now number 5. We laugh. We have to change this word into an abstract noun. Laugh we have to change. So loudly when we watch cartoons on television. Full stop. Our dash wakes up grandfather. So dash will be laughter. Laugh will be changed into laughter. So these are the words which we have changed into an abstract noun. Growth, bravery, honesty, laughter. So please copy these words carefully in your book. Now the next exercise number C. The question is, circle the collective nouns in these sentences. You have to circle the collective nouns. I have already explained you in your English language videos that what are collective nouns. So the collective noun is the group. Okay. Group of words, group of animals, group of birds, group of flowers. So these are known as collective nouns. Group of any material is known as collective noun. So first one is already done. So we'll start with the second one. Okay. Number 2. Please put away that pile of clothes on your bed. So what is a collective noun over here? Pile. Pile of clothes. So pile, you will circle it. You will circle this pile. Now the number 3. Our school has a large network of computers. So here the collective noun is for computers is network of computers. So you will circle the network. Now number 3. There is a fleet of taxis parked outside the hotel. So what is a group of taxis known as? Fleet. So here they have given fleet. Fleet of taxis. So fleet will be a collective noun for taxis because they were talking about taxis. Now number 5. We bought a bunch of bananas at the fruit shop. So group of bananas are known as bunch. So we have circle bunch. Okay. Now number 6. They saw a large herd of elephants bathing in the river. So group of elephants is known as herd. So herd is a collective noun. So these are the collective nouns. Pile you have to circle, network you have to circle, then fleet, then bunch, then herd. Please see it carefully. Yes. Okay, now the next exercise number A again. Replace the words in color in these sentences with the words from the box. So here are some words given. You just have to replace the words which are given in red from the words which are given in this box. So we will do it. Number 1. As Noy walked along the shore, he spotted something in the distance. So we have to change this word. Spotted, instead of spotted, we have to use some other word, some different word from the box. So what is that word? That word is saw. S-A-W, saw. See here I have written S-A-W, saw. So the correct answer for spotted is saw. S-A-W, saw. Now the second one. Number 2. Noy put the whale on his pull cart with a lot of difficulty. So now we have to change this word into other word from the box. So difficulty will be changed and the new word will be formed as effort. Yes, difficulty means effort. The new word we have got effort. E-F-F-O-R-T. Now number 3. Noy wanted to save the baby whale. So we have to change this word save. S-A-V-E we have to change and we have to get a new word from it. So from this box. So see from this box one new word. What we can change? What we save. How can it be changed into a new word? Yes, protect. Protect is a new word for save. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. So you will get a new word protect. Now the next sentence. Noy said he would take great care of the whale. So this was line we have to change. They take great care of. This line we have to change from a new word. We have to get a new word for it from the box. Now see, the new word which we have got from the box is look after. Take great care of can be changed into look after. Now number 5. Noy's father said that the whale should go back to its family in the sea. So go back has to be changed. So we have changed go back into a new word and we have got a new word that is return. R-E-T-U-R-N. It's a new word which we have selected from the box. Now number 6. Noy hoped to see the storm whale again. So we have to change this word hoped into a new word which we have done. See, we have changed hoped into a new word and we have got a new word wished. W-I-S-H-E-D. Wished. So please see these words carefully. The words which we have changed. First one is saw. Spotted. It's changed into saw. S-A-W, saw. Difficulty is changed into effort. E-F-F-O-R-T, effort. Save is changed into a new word protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect. Take great care of changed into a new word look after. Now go back is changed into return. R-E-T-U-R-N. Hoped is changed into wished. W-I-S-H-E-D. Now the last exercise is number B. Match the words in A with the words in B to form compound words. Write them in C. So we have to form these two words together, like A and B. We have to mix the words together, and then we have to find a new word from it. Like number A, in A you see number 1 is motor, and in number B you see which word can be matched to number A, number 1 motor, to form a new word. See motor. Here you see number F is there, boat. So motor can be matched with boat, and we can get a new word out of it, that is motor boat. Yes, but you won't put a line, otherwise I know you will do a scribbling. So please don't do it. I'll just form a new word directly. Number 2, C. C can be matched with a new word. You say C can be matched with 2, can be matched with C. So C plus shell will give you seashell. Motor plus boat will give you motor boat. Now note. Note will be matched with book. Note will be matched with book, and we'll get a new word, notebook. Now up, UP, up. Up will be matched with number B, upstairs. So up plus stairs will be upstairs. Number 5 you see cup. Cup plus board will be cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Now number 6, table. Table will be matched with spoon. So table plus spoon will be tablespoon. So please copy these words carefully. First one is motorboat, M-O-T-O-R-B-O-A-T, motorboat. Number 2 is seashell, S-E-A-S-H-E-L-L, seashell. Number 3, notebook, N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. Number 4, U-P-S-T-A-I-R-S, upstairs. Number 6, T-A-B-L-E-S-P-O-O-N, spoon, tablespoon. So yeah, that's all for today. I have given you a few exercises. Now you have to copy in your book carefully. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.